Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and clicking on this blue button at the bottom. If you never used Recorder before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up and allow in the second one. Then also allow in the third one. As you can see, after all that, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same blue button. To add a bookmark, unpause your recording and click on this left button. And to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now, to access a list of all your recordings, click on those three lines at the top right corner. To play one of them, click on it. If you wish to rename it, you need to hold it instead and tap on Rename at the bottom. Then type in wherever you want to and hit Finish. If you wish to delete your recording, you need to hold it as well. But this time tap on this bin at the bottom left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!